Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice and welcome to Life as Eunice. Today we're gonna do a quick house tour, unfinished house tour, and if you want to see more, continue watching. Let's go. So guys, let's start with one of my favorite part of the house is of course the kitchen. So this kitchen is so beautiful, you guys, because of one reason. We have not one, but we have two islands. So we have an island here and another one here. So for me this is crazy because you're so used to just see the kitchen on one island when we have two. So another part that I really like is that all this wall up to here is counter space. And we have, like, you see this is a huge wall, like this is big. And one of my third part, my favorite third part is the pantry. So the pantry is beautiful. Like we can fit so much food and yummy stuff.
Yummy stuff.
Yeah. So here we have the fridge and built-in microwave and oven on that side. So when you go there, we leave the kitchen and we go here to the dining room. So nothing really special about the dining room, you know, that's a pretty normal size dining room with the lights here. And what I really like is all the windows. So you have like two big windows here. You have one door here that leads to the outside and two windows here. So that's a lot of light coming in, and that's really nice. And this area is the living room. So I think that's a pretty decent sized living room.
I think so, yeah. Yes.
So we will install in-wall speakers. We have all the wires here. The TV will be here. And another part that I really like about this house, the railings. So if you see, we have two holes in the wall here, but we will have railings here. So you can see down and you can see up.
Let's check that out. Boom.
So,
and then you can check that out. Open to below, I guess they call it.
Yeah, that's an open to below, yeah, kind of. And we have another area here. I don't know what we'll do here. Maybe like put like a nice bar,
yeah,
or something.
Yeah, something like that.
And just behind me, there's nothing here, but we have shelf. They have to install shelves and maybe just put some nice decoration and yeah, make it fancy. And a window here, another window. So this is the dining, living room, kitchen area. And what I like about the space is that it's not that open concept. Like when you walk in here, the dining room is the dining room is here,
yeah, and
the living room is here. You know,
so it's a little bit hidden.
Yeah.
All right.
That's what I like. So if you go here, this is kind of the entryway of the house. So we have a nice little area here. I don't know if you get the light.
I think it might be on the other side.
Oh, yeah. So a nice little area here. Maybe I will put like a table with like candles and stuff. And here you have the stairs. I forgot the order. And to go upstairs and to go downstairs.
Right.
And here you have another part of the entryway. And that's why we really like this house is there's so many areas. Like there's one here, there's one here, like a little nook, and there's another one here. That's kind of the same, that's sharing the space with the living room here. So you have the same shelves. And another window, and another window just behind, just here, and the door. So when you come here, you have the mudroom. So I think that's a really big mudroom, and with the house, it comes with cabinets what's the name of it? Like where you can put clothes, like coats and stuff.
Like a closet.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
a kind
okay.
of closet. But we have another closet here too. So another storage.
A coat hanger, yeah.
Yeah, so that's another storage. And we have we have a bathroom here, half bathroom. So toilet and stand-up sink. I think that's a pretty good size. And behind that door we have the garage.
Yeah, let's check that out.
Yeah, took a garage.
That's a double car. It's super cold out here in Edmonton, so we'll go ahead and close that.
Yeah, freezing. So let's go upstairs. As I was saying, there's railings here, so you can see down. So that's really nice. So you can see and wave at your people. So that's the living room and the dining room over there.
Right.
You go up, and there's more railings on that side, and railings on that side too. And we have the laundry room here, which is a good size. Dryers, so on top of each other. And here we have a cabinet. And I was thinking of maybe putting shelves on the wall, so we can have even more storage, because you cannot have enough storage, I believe. So next we have the first room. Bedroom, which is a good size.
Yeah, decent size,
A
yeah.
decent size. I love this area. Like you could put like a desk and maybe like a little chair here. So that's really nice. And we have the closet here. Yeah. So that's the first bedroom. You have another bathroom. Well, the first one. So we put already the bathtub, and we have the toilet, and here the sink and cabinets and mirrors on the wall. So let's go to the other room. This is the second bedroom with the wall, with the window over there. So that's not much to see, you know, because it's unfinished house. And here, that's my husband's favorite spot, which is
It's my jam right here.
what is it? Like a movie room? Theater
Yeah, it'll be
room?
like an entertainment room.
Yeah.
You know, I'll have a 75-inch TV right there.
Yeah.
With some shelving,
Yeah.
like a floating shelf or something.
And here, windows.
Yeah, lots of windows.
Lots of windows. And in this area, we have like a bar, right? We have a bar here, and there's another window here. And here, like you can see, like there's nothing here, but there will be like railings. So,
Right.
yeah. So that is that. Upstairs? No, we didn't do the master. I forgot about the master.
Can't forget where the magic happens.
Yeah. So here is the master. So like you can see like lots of windows. So we actually added those two windows. Yeah. We added those. So you can see the walls gonna be the bed's gonna be here, like a king size. And a nice TV here. Nice TV there. And one of my favorite parts, the vanity. So I will have like a nice vanity here to do my hair, to do my makeup, all that good stuff. So that's my space. And we have the closet, his and hers. So basically like all of this is mine, and that's my husband's spot. Basically. So here we have the ensuite, and like look at that. Like what kind of window is that? This is huge. And have the stand-up top,
Like standalone tub.
standalone top. Yeah.
Yeah.
So and here we have his and her sink. What's my side here? Let's see.
I guess so.
Yeah. So yeah, so with lights there, and when you go just that way, you have the toilet, so you can just go here and close the door and go do your business, which is pretty nice. And you have a window just in case.
Yeah.
And here you have the shower. So the shower, there will be like a glass here. Goes up to here and you go in like this. There's no door to the shower. And in the shower we have a nice bench. We have a nice bench here and yeah. So that's it for now. Let's go down. Should we show downstairs? Like the basement?
Maybe for another video, we'll leave that.
Okay, so let's go downstairs. They already put lights. I'm not sure. Oh yeah.
Yeah, they put some temporary pot lights there for now.
So
Until
basically
they-
now they are in the stage of doing the exterior, and now they are what they are doing now. What do you have to do now inside?
They're gonna no, I think they're gonna do like I'm not really sure. I think they're doing finishing, so they're gonna put doors,
Okay.
door
Yeah,
handles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so finishing, and they already did the ceiling.
Yeah, they did the ceiling,
Yeah.
so